San Pablo City is located in the southern part of Laguna Province. In terms of land area, it is the largest in this province. This city was the oldest and the first city in Laguna.
San Pablo City was officially became a city on May 7, 1940. It is a city full of places that every tourist can enjoy. The city is better known as the City of Seven Lakes, but its original name was San Pablo.
Did you know that San Pablo is a Spanish word? And when it is translated in English, the result is Saint Paul. And that's the reason why most of the barangays here in San Pablo City are named after different saints.
Also, the city of San Pablo has a meaningful history. In this picture, you visualize San Pablo as ten paradise indeed.
Kaya, halina at samahan niyo kami na tuklasin ang kagandahan ng mga natatanging lugar sa loob ng syudad na ito. Welcome to San Pablo City.
It is said that these two lakes were named after two lovers. According to legend, a beautiful woman named Pandin was cursed not to step on the ground, otherwise something terrible would happen to her. Yambo, the lover, did not know about the curse and he stepped on the ground, after which there was a terrible noise followed by the cracking roll of the ground and the heavy downpour of rain. Finally, it made twin lakes separated from each other by a bare piece of land. It is said that Lake Pandin is the smallest of the 7 lakes here in San Pablo City. Lake Pandin is said to be the most pristine of the 7 lakes of San Pablo City. Yambo Lake in San Pablo, Laguna is considered a little paradise by the residents living around it. The lake is one of the so-called 7 crater lakes in the said province. It is also gradually becoming a popular tourist destination. Palakpakin Lake. It is located in Barangay San Buenaventura, San Pablo City. It has an area of 43 hectares and a maximum depth of 7.5 meters. The residents around the lake rely on income from fish pens and fish cages that grow cultured tilapia and silver carps.
Sa tungkol sa lawa?
Opo.
Ito kaya tinawag na palakpakin kasi meron kami diyang puno ng tawagin ni palakpalak. Yun kaya nabansagan ng palakpakin, may dalawang sanga yung mataas na nakaganon. Pagka yung manapit na siyang dumating yung mga unos, alam mo unos sa bagyo, ganun, ay naggagagan siya, parang nagpapalak. Katihag na palakpakin. Yung napakalaking puno dyan, na bigla na lang yun nawala, hindi namin alam kung naputol o hindi na pwedeng maanod, balik lang at tulay. So yun yung hiwaga nun. Kaya tinawag siyang palakpakin, gawa ng puno ng palakpalak.
San Pablo Cathedral was first established in 1586. The Cathedral Parish of St. Paul I Hermit, also known as San Pablo Cathedral, is the see of the Bishop of the Roman Catholic Diocese of San Pablo, located in San Pablo City. In 2015, the facade of the cathedral was restored to its original design. The concrete crown added in the American period, damage done when the concrete part of Kashir was added, were repaired. Restoration was scheduled to be done by the end of Diocesan 50th Jubilee.
Lake Sampaloc is a volcanic crater lake on the island of Luzon, located in San Pablo City, Laguna. It is the largest of the 7 lakes of San Pablo City. Nearly half of the lake's depth has a shallow depression at the bottom, indicating its volcanic origin. Ang Sampaloc Lake ay may lalim na 27 metro at may lawak na 1.2 kilometro. Ito ay perpektong pasyalan dahil maraming matatagpuan na food stalls at souvenir shops sa paligid nito. Maraming tao ang dumadayo dito upang mag-jogging at libutin ang buong paligid ng Sampaloc Lake. Matatagpuan dito ang estatwa ni Andres Bonifacio at ang symbolic statue ng tilapia upang bigyang karangalan ang mag-asawang Agahan bilang first donor ng tilapia fingerlings sa Sampaloc at Pandin Lake. Ang pamantasan ng lungsod ng San Pablo o dating dalubhasaan ng lungsod ng San Pablo ay matatagpuan sa Barangay San Jose, San Pablo City. Ang dalubhasaan ng lungsod ng San Pablo ay naitatag noong taong 1997 sa inisyatibo ni Alcalde Vicente B. Amante noon na layuning may mapag-aralan ang mga kabataang mula sa mga hindi nakaririwasang sambahayan, hindi lamang sa lungsod na ito, kundi maging mga residente ng mga karugtong na munisipyo. At nitong nakaraang taon, December 10, 2021, ay idineklara bilang isang ganap na pamantasan na isinatinig ni Alcalde Loreto S. Amante.
Yeah.